My name is Ashley Novi.
Haley Tavares.
Logan Thompson.
I am a rope mill supervisor.
Engineer.
Medical Technologies Production Director.
I had mostly been a manager for businesses, and I knew coming into manufacturing I didn't have experience with managing anything like this. So I did not believe at that time that I could take on this role, but the company's been, right from the day I filled out my application, letting me know that this was something I could do.
I was actually referred here by someone that works in the office, and I was looking for a job in the manufacturing field, something in engineering, so they had an engineering position opening, so I applied to it.
I have a little bit of like a broader background in my degree, so I thought this fit pretty well. It was a little bit more general, so I applied and I got the job.
Most of the time you think of a place like this as, not really somewhere where women, especially young women, want to work. But with so many opportunities opening up, I figured it was my shot to enter into a different work environment and try and get out of the path I had been in.
I was going to school for nursing, realized that I didn't want to work in the medical field forever, so I went to manufacturing. Started at Loos as engineering, but I didn't like sitting behind the desk all day long, so I started spending more time out in medtech on the floor, getting my hands dirty, learning how to run the machines, learning the product. The more time I spent out there, the more of a larger role I took on.
My stress level is down a lot compared to managing any type of food or customer service or anything like that. You have a set schedule, you have teams to work with.
I love team activities like work, I think that's really fun. My previous job was me by myself. I was the only employee, so this is very, very different.
I did not believe I could do this job, but from the minute I've started I have not had that feeling that I could not do this or be here.
I think it's so important that if you love math and you like engineering, don't be afraid to go into those STEM fields, because you'll be so happy when you do, even though it's not like typically a female industry or career path to take. It's so good, it'll be so worth it.
I never would have pictured being here, especially in this position. I never would have assumed that, I supervise all of these people, they come to me for answers. Like I never would have pictured that.
From that first day to now, confidence has completely skyrocketed.
My confidence level definitely has gone up. I feel like with this company there is more of a training period here. I don't feel pressured or rushed to understand something.
Now I've gained that confidence with new high-tech equipment and machinery that it gave me the confidence where if we were to get a new machine in today, I would have no hesitation going out, even knowing I don't know what I'm doing.
This place is not what you would think with a normal manufacturing company. I think we all have an idea, if you haven't been a part of this world, that factory life is you walk in, you're just on a line or just blindly working. It's not that life. There actually are friendships, respect, and you can really enjoy it here.
I would just suggest to anyone else questioning being out on the floor, getting dirty, don't be afraid to do it. Just go out and do it. I mean, it's very easy, and anything the men can do, you can do just as easily.